So let us discuss on one program which carries 15 marks for the ICSE board examination. Write a program to generate a triangle or an inverted triangle till n terms based upon the user's choice of triangle to be displayed. So in this question we should understand we are going to do on triangle and inverted triangle. I mean to say that you have to print a number from 1 to 5, that will be from triangle and inverted triangle. So let us see the example 1. So example 1, input type 1 for a triangle and type 2 for inverted triangle. This means that you are going to use switch case. If you use switch case, type 1 should print triangle and type 2 should print inverted triangle. So when you type the one number, enter the number of terms. So you have to enter the number of terms, that is 5, that is number of rows. So when you enter number of 5 or number of terms, this is how the output should look: 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5. This is about the example 1. I mean to say, when you type 1, this output should come. Next one is example 2. In this example, type 1 for a triangle and type 2 for inverted triangle. That goes same for the both question. And when you type 2, what should be the outcome? Enter the number of terms, that is 6. When you input the number of terms, that is n number, that is 6, it should print inverted triangle. Inverted triangle, keep it in mind dear students, inverted triangle. When you type 2 for an inverted triangle, the number of terms is 6, so it should print 6 6 6 6 5 5 5 5 4 4 4 3 3 3 2 2 and 1. This should be in the ascending order. Okay, let us go and discuss with an example. So let us start the program. Input java.util.scanner. This is a package we should be using for this program. Public class triangle. So class name is triangle. It is clear that the class name is triangle. Okay, and the access specifier we are using is public. Public static void main string arguments, the default statement we will be using in this program, and the supporting file or the supporting syntax of the package we are using is scanner. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in in the bracket. So as I told you in the question itself, we are using switch case. So system.out.print type 1 for triangle and type 2 for inverted triangle. This means that when you input 1, you have to get the output of the triangle, and when you type 2, you have to get the input of the inverted triangle. So the next syntax is int choice is equal to scanner.nextInt. So when you input 1 and 2, so which one you have to accept? To accept the number, we will use this syntax as int choice is equal to scanner.int next. This is the block 1 stage of the program. So I'll repeat one more time. Input java.util.scanner. This is a package. Public class triangle. Triangle is a class name and public is access specifier. As you all know that there are 3 types of access specifier: public, private and protected. In this program we are using public because public can access throughout the program. So most of the time we will be using public only. And next one is scanner. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. This is a supporting file for this package which will accept the information. And I have told you that system.out.print type 1 for the triangle and type 2 for the inverted triangle. Int choice is equal to scanner.nextInt will accept the information, that is 1 and 2. Let us go to the next block, that is a block 2. In this block 2, there will be a for loop statement. So as we are talking about iteration through loops, in this chapter we will be discussing more about iterations, that is the for, while and do while. But in this program, in this 15 marks program, we will be discussing on for. So let us go to the second block. System.out.print enter number of terms. So this enter number of terms will be displayed on the output terminal, and next you have to accept the number, that is n. Int n is equal to scanner dot next int. So this will accept the number. If choice is equal to 1, now the choice will begin. The choice is nothing but, so if you enter 1, what should be printed? If you enter 2, what should be printed? So there will be 2 for loop for 1 and 2. There will be a slight change in the for loop, just you have to understand and analyze properly. For I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to n, I plus plus. This is the inner loop, and the second one is the outer loop. For int j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to I, j plus plus. So these two for loops will help you to print the triangle. It means that int I is equal to 1. So the first line should be, the first row should be printed as 1, and it should go on printing till the n number. En number, for example, we have entered the number as 5. It should go on printing the number till the nth number, that is n, that is 5. I plus plus is the increment operator. The next one is the outer loop. Int j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to I. So when you use j is less than or equal to I, the second loop will start printing 2 2, and the third one it will print 3 3 according to the increment operator of j plus plus, and the third one is 3 3 3, fourth one is 4 4 4, and the fifth one is 5 5 5 5, and at the end the condition will terminate and it will stop printing the numbers. So system.out.print I plus, so you can see the double quotes there, that is nothing but giving space on each numbers. Okay, system.out.println. So whatever the mechanism we are using for inner loop and outer loop, system.out.println will help you to print the complete scenario of the segment. So this is about the inverted triangle. So when you type 1 for a triangle, so the number should be inputted as 5. So the choice will be 1. By using these two for loop statement, I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to n, I plus plus, and the second looping statement was int j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to 1, j plus plus. This will help you to print the triangle. Let us go to the next one. Else, if your choice is 2, then what should happen? As I have told you, this second choice will be the inverted triangle. For int I is equal to n, I is greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. Now the scenario will change, the segment will change. Now the number what you are inputting, that should be 6. For example, you are taking as 6. Okay, so 6 should be printed as 5 times and greater than or equal to 1. Till 1 it has to print 6 5 4 3 2 1. It should be printed in a descending order, that is decrement operator, and the outer loop will be j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to I, j plus plus. This will help you to print the remaining numbers. Okay, that will help you to print the inverted triangle. So again the same syntax goes here also. System.out.print I plus, in the double quotes it is an empty string that will help you to print the number in giving the spaces, and then system.out.print. So whatever the mechanism it has been taken place, that will be printed on the output screen. This is about the choice 2. Okay, system.out.println will help you to print the inverted triangle. So dear students, here you need to understand. So if you input 1, it should print triangle. If you input 2, it should print inverted triangle. The just simple difference between triangle and inverted triangle is, so in the triangle we will start with the for loop as int I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Whereas in inverted triangle we start with the n, int I is equal to n, I is greater than or equal to 1, I plus plus. So dear students, in the example 1 you will type 1 for the triangle and type 2 for the inverted triangle. In the example 2 you will type 1 for the triangle and 2 for the inverted triangle. But the difference between these two is, if you type 1, enter the number of terms as 5 and you will find the triangle. When you take the example 2, enter the number of terms, we will type it as 6 and it will start from the top to bottom, that is from big number to small number. Okay, you will get inverted triangle. This is about the inverted triangle. So the program question was very simple. Write a program to generate a triangle or an inverted triangle till the end terms based upon their user's choice of triangle to be displayed. The user choice will be two things, that is 1 and 2. For this we will be using the switch case statement, that is 1 and 2. By using switch case statement we will identify the numbers, that is 1 and 2, and it will print triangle and inverted triangle. Thank you so much my dear students for watching this session.